to today's video. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little spring thrift haul. This is only a little one. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos recently, I'm trying to be a lot better, not buy quite so much. However, as spring weather has sprung, I thought I'd pop to charity shops and see what I found. I was actually hunting for some gym clothes because I'm back going to the gym. I found a sports bra I ended up buying in Asda, which if you have bigger chests, it's quite hard to find a sports bra. So I got one from there. New, which you guys know is quite rare for me. However, I did need one and was struggling to find one second hand. And I thought I'd find some gym leggings, and unfortunately I found none. However, I did find 2 items I thought I'd buy, even though they weren't quite on my list. I did try on some bow and tee leggings, which was insane that I found them in Scope in Basildon, but they just weren't very flattering. Luckily you could try them on, because I would have snapped them up otherwise, and they're just not flattering. I've actually tried them on once before, and then I went in again today and tried them on because I really want them to work, but they just don't. They're see-through, they're not flattering, and I was like, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing these, so I didn't get them, even though the brand is crazy. Obviously, if you're not following my Instagram or TikTok, you won't have seen that, but I do a what I loved in thrift stores but didn't buy kind of series on my reels and my TikToks, and just kind of show you guys the sort of things I find that I don't end up purchasing, because there's quite a lot that I love but I don't actually buy. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. No more rambling. So the first thing I picked up is this Fiorelli. Does anyone know actually how to say that brand? It's the Fiorelli brand. Don't know how you say that. It's just this gorgeous pink little 90s style mini bag. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I thought this is in perfect condition, but as I put it down to literally show you guys, I've noticed that the leather is kind of coming off the top a little bit. But again, this isn't something I've really noticed. And to be fair, with the bag that I'm gonna use, it's definitely gonna get some dirt and grime all over it. I thought this was literally the cutest thing I've seen. It's quite a firm leather, like it's really quite hard at the sides. And I just thought this is a perfect size for sort of a night out or for like dinner, drinks, whatever. I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And when it gets into spring, summer, I wear a lot more summer dresses, a lot more colour. And I just thought this was the most gorgeous little bag. So this was £2 from Haven's Hospice. And as you guys know, Haven's Hospice are a charity shop that work with the charity shop gift card. So if you have received one of them or are thinking about buying one for a friend, this is something you could possibly get with your gift card. And I literally love the charity shop gift card. They're an amazing brand, company, whatever you want to call them. And they are now in Marie Curie. And this dress is actually from Marie Curie. So I feel like I love this brand. I love shopping in Marie Curie as well as Haven's Hospice, and they're kind of the ones local to me that are on the charity shop gift cards kind of books, and soon there'll be so many more. Can't tell you who, but lots and lots of big ones, so definitely get ready for that. I think this video is going up on Mother's Day, but if you need a belated Mother's Day present, then definitely check out the charity shop gift card. I know I rave about them loads on here and on Instagram, but I think it's such a good idea, and I just thought I'd let you know, as this shop is from, this bag is from a shop that accepts them. So this is the first thing I brought, and then the next thing I brought is this dress. I've actually just tried this on, so it's inside out, so I'm going to turn it around for you. This was from St Luke's Hospice in Wickford. This was £3.50. It's originally from Boohoo, and it's in a size 16. Now, as I said, I'm filming this on when we've got lots of sun. I don't know if by the time this goes up, the sun will have gone, but I just thought this is an absolutely gorgeous little summer dress. So when I initially saw this, I thought this would be quite short, but on trying it on, it's actually pretty long. So the way I kind of styled this was actually just tucking the kind of elasticated bit under my bra a little bit and just kind of folding it up so it's the length I like. Obviously with dresses like this, you can get away with that. So if you ever have a dress that's a little bit too long and don't really want to take it to a tailor's, just tuck it up into your bra a little bit and you should be absolutely fine. But I just thought this is absolutely gorgeous. I think with the tan, this would look gorgeous. I love the colours. It's very spring, summer. I feel like a literal like lemon clippo. I don't know, a lime clippo. Is that the one that all of everyone liked? I tried on this dress and it literally is a pure walking in a meadow dress. Obviously you see it on in the try on. This is originally Boohoo, but to be honest, the quality doesn't actually feel too bad. I would wear shorts underneath this just for kind of in case a wind blows, and then you can see my underwear. And I do wear shorts under all my dresses for chub rub reasons. If you've got thick thighs, summer is coming, the time of sweaty thighs has come back. However, just chuck shorts on under your dresses. If you can see them, like today, I wore this little dress, and you can sometimes see them if kind of the dress blows up a little bit, or if I bend over, you can see the shorts, but literally no one cares. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. I thought the puff sleeves were a really nice feature. I find that silhouette really flattering. It is long sleeves, so I feel like this would be good when it's getting a bit chillier in the evenings. You've still got that little bit of length and kind of things on your shoulders to keep you warm. But let's try this one on. Here is the Boohoo dress. As you can see, this actually comes to just below my knee, which I'd say is just a little bit too long for me. So what I've done is I literally just tuck it up into my bra the whole way around, Make sure it's neat at the back, maybe get someone to help you with tucking in the back, and then you can go to exactly the height you want. And because the elasticated bit is a different material to kind of the, not different material, but this bit's crimped and this bit's kind of just draping down, it means that actually if you tuck it in you really can't notice. But I just think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I do actually kind of like the fact that I can tuck this up in the front but then still leave it a little bit longer in the back just so you have a little bit more coverage. That's just how I prefer to wear my dresses. I feel like with the accessories to this, I keep this super neutral. I've got a white fake Prada bag that I'll probably pair with this. These earrings are from Craft Corner. These were gifted quite a while ago, but these literally go with everything. And then my great kind of neutral earring, but still very, very feminine. I feel like with my hair braided back, I feel like I'm ready to run in the meadow, go for a picnic, and I just love this so much. For £3.50, I feel like you can't top this. And yeah, I'm really, really happy I picked this up. The floaty sleeves are gorgeous. I find it's quite nice if you're a bit insecure about your arms. This silhouette dress is perfect because it covers up your arms, it kind of sweeps over your stomach, and it's just perfect for any body type, and I literally love this one so much. So that's everything I picked up in today's thrift haul. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!